Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID on KuCoin. Face ID allows you to log into the KuCoin app quickly and securely without typing your password every time. This feature is available on supported iPhones with Face ID. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of KuCoin, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You'll then come across this profile section where you need to scroll down and click on Security. Under Security, scroll down and look for Face ID. To enable Face ID, toggle on the switch right next to Face ID option and click on Allow in the pop-up from your iOS device. This will scan your Face ID and then the Face ID feature will be enabled for KuCoin. To test the Face ID login, log out of KuCoin and open up the app again. It should now prompt you to log in using Face ID instead of your password. So that is how you can easily enable Face ID on KuCoin application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.